full of color, crunch, sweet and savory. Mini bell peppers stuffed with goat cheese are the perfect snack with cocktails. Hi everyone, it's another Fast 5 episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today I'm going to make a quick little snack that goes great with cocktails, at a party, as a first course, or on a buffet. I'm making these great little mini sweet peppers and we're going to stuff them with a mixture of goat cheese and spices. Let me start it. So I have some of these cut already. They're very easy to do. I'll just show you how I do it. Little pepper. Again, a little sharp knife is always a great tool to have in your kitchen. So carefully, right in half, lengthwise. Now we need to get rid of the inside, the ribs and the seeds. Carefully with your knife, just take that out, just like that. Now you can, if you want, trim off the stem end, or you can leave it on. It's entirely up to you. But that's just how fast these go. I'll do one more for you, just to make sure you get it. Right in half. And scrape it out. All right, that's that done. Now, for the filling. This is very easy and very quick. You can probably want to do this the night before so all your flavors blend together. We're going to start with 4 ounces of goat cheese that we've softened to room temperature. Let's break that up a little bit. We've got about a heaping teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and about a tablespoon of dried parsley. This is a case where dried is okay because it's going to sit in the cheese overnight. I'm also going to add about 2 tablespoons of half and half. This is just going to loosen the cheese up, allow you to mix it all up together and blend it together. And of course, pinch of salt and a quick grind of pepper. All right, so we just mix this up. And it just takes a minute or two. It's faster when your cheese is softer. This didn't get quite as soft as I would like it, but that's okay. We'll make do today. So this is a quick little dish, and what's great about it is you can serve these cold, you can serve these warm, however you like them. I first made this up years ago when the first time I saw these little peppers in the store, and I thought, what can I do with them? What can I make them flavor with? And I came up with this. Okay, now let's stuff them. And this is how easy it really is. A little spoon, little cheese, and you just tuck it in. It's okay at this point. If it looks a little messy, you can clean that up before you plate it. It's very simple to clean up. I'll do a couple more. Right in. You just kind of pile it in. Now what's great about these too is they come in different sizes. Some are a little bigger, some are a little smaller. So this can be a little hearty bite of food. And you'll see as you go along and practice, you'll get a little less sloppy about it. Now again, you can make these ahead of time, pop them in the fridge, and they'll be perfect for your party. I'm actually going to make these for after church for coffee hour for tomorrow, because I couldn't just serve, just cake and cookies. I had to pick it up a notch, as Emerald would say. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to continue to do these. We'll be right back, and I'll have them all ready for you. All right, we're back, and here we are. I've done several, sliced them up, hollowed them out, and stuffed them. I'm just serving them with some crackers and some wine. Now, another idea for these, if you want to be extra fancy, you could put the mixture in a piping bag and pipe them out in stars and rosettes and things like that. You can make it as fancy or as rustic as you like. And what's great about these, as I said, you can heat these, pop them under the broiler for a couple moments, and they'll get a little brown on top and the peppers will heat through, and voila, a hot appetizer. All right, let's give it a quick taste. Now what I like about this, the goat cheese is so savory, and you can taste the garlic and the other spices, and then it's countered with the crunchy sweetness of the pepper. It's a great little bite. And it goes great with a glass of wine. So that's all the time we have for today. Now, as always, we're going to put the recipe up in the description section on YouTube, and we want to hear from you. Ask us questions. Tell us about your parties. Tell us what you think of the show. Remember, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. We need subscribers. We love subscribers. Now, like always, check out our videos anytime you want at youtube.com/Let's Celebrate TV. I'll see you again next Tuesday at 7. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Cheers.